Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or in this video, we will talk about .NET Aspire. .NET Aspire tool is a very important tool, and most of the .NET developers are not aware about this tool as well. So this is why I thought I should create video on this topic. Even I got a lot of DMs like, "Sir, create the video on .NET Aspire." So this is why okay, I should create the video, or like they are not aware about this tool as well, and they don't know like how powerful tool it is. So, .NET Aspire, so whenever you work with the microservices or distributed applications, so at that moment you have to also at that moment your .NET Aspire will play a very vital role. Or I will show you like how to integrate .NET Aspire in your existing project as well, or what are the key takeaways that you should know about the .NET Aspire as well. So make if you want to make your application microservices easier, so definitely your .NET Aspire will help you to make it. Or if there are so many functionalities that you need to know about .NET Aspire as well. So it has the built-in orchestration power as, or along with that, if I tell you it has a integrated open telemetry. If you most of you are not aware about the open telemetry, I will tell you open telemetry is a kind of it maintains the logs, metrics, and traces as well. If you want to deeply analysis of your applications, of your endpoints, or if you want to see like how your application behaviors, okay. So open telemetry is a tool to make you to understand about your applications as well. So this tool is comes in the uh, my .NET Aspire, okay. So there are a lot of things that you need to know about the things as well. So don't get delay in this video, or please, I just want to request you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues on network as well, and hit the like button. Or now let's see that how to integrate this .NET Aspire in this existing project as well. So this is the my API project. Or in this project we have added the APIs, or I will show you that how to integrate the things as well. There are two layers that I will add regarding the .NET Aspire. The first layer I will add a app host, and second layer I will add as a service defaults. So now let's see that how to add such things here, okay. So before the things you proceed, first you have to open the terminal in your Visual Studio. Thereafter, you have to enter the command .NET workload install Aspire, or just hit the enter. Thereafter, this command will set up all the things regarding the Aspire in your local machines as well. At this moment, I have installed this package. Or if you are, or but if you are using for the first time Aspire in your application, so you have to install this .NET workload install Aspire. Okay. Now let's move to the right click on the new project. Thereafter you will see like you have to search for the Aspire, or first is I or they'll name it as my app dot app host. I will just hit the enter, or I will just create the project like this, okay. This is a very easiest way to make it possible. Now the second approach, now the second template that you need to add here, which is this Aspire service defaults. I will just choose this thing here. I will name it as a my app dot service defaults. Guys, it is a very important step that you need to understand regarding how the service defaults works. I think okay, so like this package is already, this template is already there. So I will just hit the enter. Thereafter you will see like we have added the service default project in this applications as well. So these are the two templates that you have added here. Now what you need to here, you have to add the references of these two things to each other layers as well. I will show you how to make it. So first you have to click on the right click on your main application, or you have to add the project reference of the service defaults on your main application. I will just okay. So I have added the service defaults in my API project. Thereafter, what I will do here, I will just click on, I will just click right here. Okay, before the things proceed, first we have to go to the program CS, or we have to inject the like builder dot add service defaults. We have to add the service defaults middleware like this. Thereafter, you have to introduce the map default endpoints. Okay, so all such things we have configured regarding the Aspire. So in the program CS, all such things have done here. Now click on the, now click right click on the app host. Thereafter, I will add the project reference of the main API. So the API project I will add here. So in such a way, like you have given the reference to the app host. Thereafter, you have to add the your project as well. So I will add the builder dot add project, or thereafter you will get the objects of the projects, or you have to define, like you have to add the my app API project. I would name it as a like my app API. Okay, so this is the alias name that I am giving here. So in such a way, like you have seen the things regarding as well. Okay, so it is telling me. Okay, so I have to copy uh, uh, I think my app API. That's perfect. Okay, so in such a way, like you have to set up all such things regarding the Aspire in your applications. So you have seen all very basic steps. Now what I will do here, I will just click right click on the app host. I will make it as a set as startup project, because if you want to see the like Aspire dashboard, or like if you want to all such URLs you will see in this Aspire dashboard. Okay, I will just run this application so that you will get to know like what the things I am talking about. Or like in the initial phase of this video, I talk about the things regarding open telemetry, traces, logs, all such things as well. Okay, so now let's wait for this thing as well. Okay, until this application is run successfully. Okay, so I think everything is working good. Okay, so the host directory is app host. Okay, as we have already done at that moment. Or you will see like this is a beautiful Aspire dashboard. I love this dashboard as well. Okay, so now let's see the things one by one as well. Okay, and guys, please don't say it again like we are very confused about .NET Aspire. Okay, we will see the little bit things more about the Aspire as well. Okay, so the first thing you will see, like there is consoles as well. Okay, like this is this console, and this console is similar as well. Okay, if you want to see the structured logs, so everything is you will see here. Okay, all such things is noticeable here. Or if you there is no any traces found, if you want to see any metrics, so all such metrics are working here. Okay, or like if you even you can analysis such things deeply as well. Okay, if you just click on these things, you will see like there is console logs, view details. In the view details section, you will see like a healthy state is healthy, or state is running. Okay, or you will start time is as well, project path, launch profile. Okay, or the process ID as well. So all such major things you will see here. Okay, or this is the environment variables. There is set up automatically. Okay, or like it is not like you have to do configure here. No, everything is set up as well. Okay, so let my face as well, so that you can see it clearly as well. Okay, so in such a way you will see about the .NET Aspire, or that there is no any references, health checks we have seen as well. Okay, see here. Okay, but if I run this if I just copy this thing here. Okay, or I will go to the HTTP file, or at this moment I will just copy the endpoints or paste it here. Okay, or thereafter, and let me add the one slash here. So at this moment you will see like we will get the list of students. So okay, so like in such a way like you will get all the results here. Or if you want to traces the logs as well, okay, like what's going on inside this thing that we have run here. So you will see the logs as well. So logs is like it is executing the db command, okay, or the db command is like select id class father name. So all such things you will notice here. So this is the db command is run here, okay. So you can see the all such things in detail in the aspire as well, or like it is a kind of a open book, okay. So this is why like you should know and you should aware about the .NET aspire, okay. Or if you want to like all such logs as is the traceable here, okay. Or this is in the tracer section you will see like this API will run here, okay. Or like how much time is consumed to get the data. So like it is 74 milliseconds as well. So all such things you have seen there, okay. Or or thereafter you will see like the method type is get, okay. HTTP status is 200, or like version or protocol version is 1.1, okay. This is the or default of the HTTP as well, okay. So all such thing, or the SDK name is to open telemetry as well, okay. So this is the powerful tool of a powerful tool regarding the .NET Spec, or you love this tool as well. Or guys, what the thing, if you want to see this thing in detail as well, so now let's add the uh, MVC project as well, so that you can see it clearly about the Aspire as well, okay. So I would add the my app dot web, okay. I will just hit the enter. I will just add the .NET 10 support, okay. Or that's now let's wait for few seconds, okay. We have added the template as well. If you go to the programs, yes, thereafter like you will see like that this thing is automatically added here, okay. Or like you don't need to do anything else. So the map default endpoints, okay. Just you have to go to the apphost.cs, or I think in the apphost.cs has configured the things about the my web app as well. So yes, we have like so like all the things is configured automatically. If I run this application, so like still it will open in the Aspire dashboard, or we will see all such things in a very depth as well, okay. So now let's wait for run this dashboard, or thereafter you will see like we have you will see like the URL of the two projects, okay. If I just click over, see like there is a beautiful welcome page of the embassy project. This is the API project as well, okay. So in such a way like you have to know about the Aspire. I hope you love this video, you love this content. Or guys, if you want to trace it in a very detailed way, okay, like or like we are doing such things here, okay. Or if you want to see the traces of this thing, so I will just go to the structured logs. So in such a way like you will see like how the things are working. Or if you want to see the traces of such things, so like how everything is looking good, or like everything is like noticeable as well, okay. So this is how like you have to integrate .NET Aspire in your existing applications. Even you can work with the multiple applications like me, okay. Or you, or more number of the applications you will add. Or like this is why I told you earlier in this video that this is a helpful tool for the microservices as well. Suppose there are a lot of microservices you have added here, okay. So if you want to trace all such things with the single dashboard, okay. So definitely guys you should opt the .NET Aspire, okay. All such things is added automatically here, okay. And you don't need to pay anything here, okay. So this is the famous tool that I will that you should use here, or even I will use in my upcoming projects as well, okay. So you have learned all such things regarding the Aspire and how to set up these things as well, okay. So I hope you love this video, or like you love this content. So thank you for watching this video till here. Guys, I just want to request that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends who live in native as well, and hit the like button, okay. Oh guys, there is a one important thing that I will tell you, okay. I am available for one-to-one mentorship, or like if you want to get a mentorship regarding the .NET career and how to start your .NET career with me. Okay, so just you have to go to the topmed.io, or thereafter there you can book your session as well. Right now we are giving that 71% discount to the like to all the users. Okay, just you have to go to just you have to book session. Thereafter, like you have to use my promo code. The promo code I you will add here. Okay, in the discount code you have to add the F2B uh, of 71. This is the promo code you have to apply, or thereafter you will see like in the 980 space you will like you can book the session with me as well. Okay, so don't get delay, book your session right now, or offer valid still for February, so don't get delay. Okay, offer there is a limited offer. Okay, or like in fact the limited slots are available as well. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a good day.